Hello, good morning. I'm Roshan Peter, Academic Coordinator and Admin of Ideal International Techno School. I'm thrilled to share the overwhelming success of a sky observation event held at Ideal International Techno School, Chennagiri. This event brought together nearly 2,000 participants, including students, parents, and enthusiasts, all eager to explore the fascinating wonders of the cosmos. It was truly a night to remember. Through telescopes, the attendees were able to witness the rare celestial alignment featuring planets such as Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, even the glimpse of Saturn and Uranus. The event offered a perfect opportunity to connect with the mysteries of the universe while kindling a love for astronomy in our students and parents alike. We were fortunate to have Mr. Indradyumna sir from Cosmotrack. He is a science communicator and astronomer who has come from a long way from Bangalore, leading this initiative with remarkable dedication and patience. His expertise and ability to explain the complex astronomical phenomena in a way that was accessible and engaging for everyone added immense value to this event. Whether it was answering curious questions, guiding the attendees through the telescopes, or simply sharing his passion for the night sky, Sir went above and beyond to make this event a successful. We sincerely appreciate his efforts and commitment, creating such a memorable experience in us all. Moreover, the feedback we received from parents and students was immensely positive. Many expressed how the event inspired awe and curiosity, leaving a lasting impact on the understanding of the universe. It was heartening to see the smiles and excitement and sense of wonder on everyone's face. I thank everyone who has worked hard for this event. Thank you, everyone.